Alright guys, we are at this job doing a seam repair. Believe it or not, a car, I guess, was drunk, came off the side of this hill here, come through the wall, and busted all this apart. Could you imagine sitting here, you know, bag of Doritos, Pepsi, watching some TV, and a car drives through your kitchen? That would be exciting. So the builder's super nice guy. I've worked with him on another job. I think we're going to be doing a lot more work together. He had this pretty much set up, put together. But we have to separate it so we can get this seam cleaned up real good. Get some shims back there. Of course, he didn't know stone. This is quartz. It's not granite. So top polishing won't be an option here anyway. But so we're going to have to raise that back corner up a little bit to get it level. Alan's got the laser level set up so we can take a look how everything looks. And because I like this builder, I'm going to go ahead and clean this side up for him and all that. But anyway, we're going to get rocking on it, and I'll let you know what we run into and then finished product. So this seam has had a seam phantom ran on it, and you can see where I've been digging at the old epoxy trying to get it out so I can get a good bind to it. Almost all of it stuck to this side over here, and none of it stuck to this side over here. I'm guessing because that side feels really smooth. I hate to cut this stuff inside the house, but I may have to rough that up a little bit, but I don't really want those fumes floating around in here, so I may see what I can do without having to cut. So I think I've got this scraped out where I can pull it together tight, and we're going to see what we can do. So this thing's got silicone all up under it there. When I try to push it together and level it up, I realized that it was floating on something. See how thick this silicone is? There's no way for me to get it level until I get that off of there. So some people think redoing a seam is just coming in and throwing some glue in it and pushing it together. But there's quite a bit to it. Okay, we've got the Gorilla Grip set up. That was strange. I caught that on video. Was that a ghost that unplugged that? I don't know. But that was weird as soon as I started filming. Gary, you should throw that on a short, brother. Anyways, I got the Gorilla Grip set up after I plug it in, after whatever unplugged it. We are going to mix some color. Now this is a weird color for countertops. I think it's gray with a little bit of brown is my opinion. And it's got the black in it. Don't know if anyone passed away during this wreck here, but I'm sure it was just the vibrations from the machine, but that has never happened to me before. That was weird. But anyway, so I'm going to try this gray with brown, and then I'll spot it up with black and show y'all how it looks. Alright, we got the seam setting up. The Gorilla Grip's rolling. I got the color really close, as you can see here. I had to add a little black to it to get the color right, so we're going to finish letting it set up and see how it turns out. Alright, we got everything put together. As we was only hired to put this seam together, we did a little more. I don't know if you can see it real good. There it is. So there it is. So if you step back, there it is. I think it turned out quite well. We went ahead and put this side together, cleaned off his backsplash, put it up there. We caulked out the bottom. Like, we was just hired to put that seam together, but we caulked out the bottom, leveled it up, cleaned this side of the cabinets up, caulked that piece of backsplash in. It was up and didn't have no caulk on it. Then we went ahead and put a sealer over everything. So I think we're good to go. We're going to go ahead and wrap it up. I appreciate y'all watching, and I shall see you on the next one.